Hey guys, welcome back to our video. Today we're going to be assembling my YJ Yushi V2M 6x6. This was requested by Nakash the Gamer in my 100 subs video, and please subscribe to him. So let's try and assemble the 6x6. Maybe there'll be a few episodes because I might not be able to finish now. I have my 4x4 for reference because they're similar mechanisms. And yeah, let's get on with the time lapse. So on CubeSolve Heroes 4x4 tutorial, he would put in like the little ones in next, and that's the 4x4. For 6x6 is a bit too hard, so I'm just gonna like add like another layer, and then I'll put in the other internal pieces. So this is the most progress I've made so far. I'm right now working on the next layer, so as you can see there's 2 layers, and I'm just finishing off the last part of the second layer. And yeah, I've never gone this far. Normally I'll just get up to the first layer. Yes, okay, so I finished the second layer. As you can see, the second layer is complete, and I'm really happy about that. So now we just gotta do the last few layers. I mean, the rest of the layers, it's not the last few ones, it's like, we're only like 1/3 of the way done, so we still have much more to do. So I'm not 100% sure on what to do, but I'll find out. So yeah, I'm having a little bit of trouble for the next layer. Maybe I'll just sticky tape the bottom part. Okay, stickering process complete. I can basically pick up the cube now without it popping, but the internals are just a bit like weird, so we're gonna have to work on that now. The internal pieces are the most annoying part of even laid puzzles. Yeah, so let's just keep on going with the assembly of this cube. I'm so happy I finally actually passed this step, and it took so long. I'm actually gonna finish this cube, and maybe even today I'll finish it. Putting in the last few edges for the third layer, and hopefully I can get it done. The centers are a bit tedious, but the third layer is complete. So we're basically halfway done, even though we have the bottom layer to complete as well. So I finished a bracket. It looks pretty unstable, but that will fix once I put the rest of the brackets in. So yeah, hopefully I can get this done by the end of the day, because I had a limit that I can only record for 3 hours in the video. So it's pretty close to getting 2 hours, 1 hour, 2 hour. I actually don't know how much I've been recording for, but we'll find out soon. Anyway, let's just keep on going. Final bracket, and we're almost done. I'm gonna have to wrap it up here, maybe another episode tomorrow, because this is a pretty long task. It's almost been 3 hours, so I'm gonna have to finish up here, and maybe the recording will finish here. Bye bye.